This is an announcement by the SCP Foundation, authorized by the U.S. government to inform the public of a possible XK-class scenario. This emergency alert will fire in the states of Pennsylvania, New York, Vermont, New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, New Jersey, Delaware, Maryland, Virginia, West Virginia, and Maine, as long as the emergency is local. The O5 Council has announced that a possible containment breach of a creature called SCP-2317 might be imminent. Such an event would, according to the O5 Council, cause the anomalous figure to break out of containment and destroy any structures made by humans, and possibly even naturally, non-human formed ones, like mountains or trees. Pennsylvania officials have confirmed the containment breach of SCP-2317, confirming the XK-class scenario. I repeat, Pennsylvania officials have confirmed the containment breach of SCP-2317, confirming the XK-class scenario. It is advised to enter a relatively dark forest, since the creature is estimated to destroy or damage human-made structures first. It is also advised to wear camouflage-colored clothes, like a soldier uniform, so the individual is virtually invisible to SCP-2317. If you live in urban or suburban areas, you should drastically consider walking, as driving with cars is conspicuous and may get you into a traffic jam. Set your radios to the frequency of 98.4 or 82.7 MHz to receive updates announced by the O5 Council and government officials. Keep in mind that everything is fine. The SCP Foundation wishes good luck to the American population. Do not question authority. Secure, contain, protect.